You know what? You can't beat a dead horse with dead horse amber ale. Oops. Okay. Check this stuff out. Either 9mm or 40 Smith & Wesson. There's broken glass, manure. I got a fire ring. Eggshells. That's a lot to deal with, man. Outside's where it's at. Here on Hole in the Rock Road in Escalante, Utah, in between Bryce and Capitol Reef National Park. There are lots of neat rock formations and little canyons and slots and stuff back here. Just a little further than I want to go. Got to go down Hole in the Rock Road for like 12 miles. I've been maybe 3 or 4. It's getting warm. I don't want to leave the dog. Hey there, Monday, September 21st, leaving Escalante and the Grand Staircase National Monument. See Max, that's how much Max enjoys traveling on rough roads. He does not like it. Max and I are on our way toward Capitol Reef. There's some weather too. There are warning signs everywhere saying that Hole in the Rock Road may not be passable when it's wet. Today the forecast says no rain. I don't believe it. There's that all around us. I don't want to risk it. We're out of here. this is truly some beautiful country. It's fall, the leaves are changing, the aspens are turning yellow. Really nice contrast against the green and the blue sky and everything else. I'm enjoying this drive. That's rain that way, like I was saying. The wind's picking up, it's chilly. We're gonna keep driving.